friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 21st to the 27th. And I do apologize that this video is a little bit late. I was busy on Friday looking at the best deals over at the Dollar General for the quarter sale that will be celebrated on the 23rd that entire week. And I know a lot of us are super excited about that. First piece of Walgreens business is this, the two boosters that arrived, I think, on Thursday. So I got a 7 back when you spend 35 and a 5 back when you spend 20. Like a lottery, not everybody gets the same boosters. I'm going to be very honest. The paper boosters that come out of the Catalina machine have not been printing for me in quite some time. I'm just getting digital boosters, but we'll make the best out of this as we always do over at Walgreens. So check your digital coupons folder at the very top if you might have such boosters. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday, January the 21st. So if I'm off by a coupon or a cent, let's just wait till the 21st for all of the hard details. Now, I really think that Tuesday, January the 23rd is going to be our moment to really get some great deals over at the Dollar General. The remaining Christmas merchandise, all of it will be 25 cents. The food and the clothing, those are the 1-2 items I'm not sure about. But like everything else, candles, Christmas stuff that we all love. If you are into this and you might have a couple hours on Tuesday morning, you might want to check out this video because it's amazing what you can score. And you know what? With inflation and how things are just not going our way for a lot of these coupon deals, this is one event that if you are really into clearance shopping, I would definitely try and get out there on the 23rd first thing. I'll link this video at the very end. Now, I made a couple matchups, showing these Cheez-Its. They were 3 for $5. There's a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate. So even though if you bought it earlier in the week, double, triple check your IBOTTA account. If you have the same rebate as you can get $1.50 back. You have 7 days post with IBOTTA. So I would definitely apply for this. The first deal that we're going to look at is BOGO free on the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. So we're going to grab 2 boxes. I know that the 12 count are part of this too, and they're super uber cheap online for like $4.29. So you're getting an extra 4. That's the one I would definitely grab. IBOTTA has $1 back when you buy 2. You can only do this the one time, but double, triple check you have the same rebate as But grabbing 2 of those boxes for $4.29, buy one, get one free. Take your receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA for $1 back. It's $3.29 for the 2 or $1.64 for a box of 12. Hi, that's a great deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Next deal that we're looking at, last week was a little bit better for this Dove body wash bath care. It's on a BOGO 50% off. $2 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the men's, it'll be $11.98 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting that 4 off 2 digital coupon, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Deal for all the parents out there. Let's try and use this booster in the next following deal if you may have it. It is to grab 2 bags of Pampers for $21. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and then a $4 reward when you buy 2. So I think you can see how this one is lining up, and we're going to throw in that booster as well. So grabbing 2 of the bags of Pampers, that's $21 on the nose, subtracting your digital coupon and have your booster loaded, 5 back when you spend $20. You're going to pay $18 with your debit card and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and then a $4 register reward. So that's $9 back. So it makes it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per bag. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or store register rewards as you're using that booster in concert with this deal. It's looking like more free dental care if we can get a toothbrush and a toothpaste at $3 a pop for $6, along with we're going to have 2 $2 coupons. So grabbing 2 of each, that's $6 on the nose, subtracting the 2 $2 coupons, 1 for the brush, 1 for the paste. You're going to pay 2 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making this free plus a $1 money maker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. looking at a deal with Gillette Venus disposable razors, $5 register reward when you buy 2, and we have $3 digital coupons. These are the coupons that you're going to load, the $3 for the men's disposable and the $3 for the ladies disposable. So looking at this, grabbing 2 of those razors on a BOGO 50% off, it's $14.38. Subtracting $6 in digital coupons that I just showed you, you're going to pay $8.38 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.38 for the 2 or $1.69 per razor pack. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I know that a lot of razors are on clearance, so definitely if you see something cheaper, try and scan it and see, is it tagged? You'll get a $5 reward when you buy 2. That might be the way to go to get it even cheaper. Axe body wash, $5 a pop. $2 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $2 register reward, making $4 for the 2 or $2 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And definitely check your Fetch Rewards in case there's some sort of rebate for this body wash. The Scott is BOGO 50% off, and if you look down below, we have a $1 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these at $5 on a BOGO 50% off, that's $7.50. Subtracting your $1 digital, you're going to pay $6.50 out of pocket for the 2 or $3.25 per pack. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Check ShopMe'em in case there's another rebate for another $1 back. Maybe there's something that'll pop up on Sunday, and that'll be extra savings. My favorite deal, the Dawn dish liquid for $1.24, $1 reward when you buy 2. So this is a pretty straightforward deal. What we're going to do is grab 2 of these dish soaps for $2.48. At the register, you're going to get back a $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you wanted to do this deal, say twice, you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions because a register reward will only print once per transaction. Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner for $2.69, $3 reward when you buy 3. We always need some of this. Grabbing 3 of them, that will be $8.07 on the nose. Get back a $3 register reward, essentially making it $5.07 for the 3 or $1.69 per Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. The first is the sweet treat of the week. It's these M&M Valentines for $3.49. I think they're typically closer to like $5, so that is some savings, and it's the larger bags. We have the nice mixed nuts for $2.98. I think that's the larger bag. And then we have the A&W Canada Dry, 3 for $13.99 or for 1 for $9.49. So grabbing 3 is the better deal. We have this Airwick starter kit for $12.49 with a $6 digital. It's dropping it down to $6.49. And the $1.99 Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand toilet paper, disinfectant wipes, dish soap, a lot of great stuff. We have this Arm & Hammer cat litter for $7.99. I think that's like $4 of savings if you have cats. Very good stock up price. We have the Cottonelle for $6.99 with a $2 digital. It drops this 6-pack down to $4.99. Great value for Cottonelle. And the final item, 2 for $7 on these Purex crystals. So that's $3.50 per unit. However, the IBOTTA rebate for this excludes Walgreens, but maybe as the week marches on, it might include it. We'll have to wait and see. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.